I did it again, friend. I saved another pallet from the dump.
Hey, I'm Jackie, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create this pallet chair and enjoy it all summer long.
You watch yourself. I don't want to punch you in the face.
You can use any type of pallet for this project, but if you want to make use of the structure itself, then you're going to want to look for a pallet that has one support down the middle and one on either side and a nice even spacing between the pallet boards. So first I removed the back pieces, as you can tell, and then here I'm marking down the edge of these boards so that it is flush with the one support board underneath of them there. I tried cutting it with the circular saw, but it ended up just kept binding and it really wasn't working very well. So I ended up just cutting it not on the lines, but further out. And then you'll see later in the video, but I tried to use the circular saw again and it still didn't work. So I ended up cutting them flush with a jigsaw. The goal here is to get the top boards flush with the side boards, and then you want to take two of those front boards off and remove all of the nails. I'm just testing it out here to see if the size is going to work. Some pallets are really easy to take apart, but this one was not. The nails were in there so strong. Anyways, Mr. So Bright helped me with this project. And this is the part where I was trying to make it flush, but the circular saw just wasn't working. So again, I used the jigsaw and I'm going to fast forward through this for you. Remember that support board on the back of the pallet, the one that we cut off? Well, I used that and cut two legs and placed it underneath of the pallet here. And then we used a square to make a line so we could cut it so it would sit flush on the ground. I sanded the two legs and then we secured them to the chair, first clamping and then screwing them together.
Well, people that do this kind of stuff for a living use them.
I know, my dad's always clamping things and I'm like, he's stupid. He's not stupid. I get it now. I'm not sure what happened to the cameraman at this point, but somehow we missed recording putting the support beams up on either side. We did use a different pallet for those, and they were 2x4 type size boards, and we secured them on either side going straight up. And then now here I'm putting on more pallet boards on the back. Will be the back of the chair. Again, clamp and screw, it will save you. Wait a minute, I stand corrected. It looks like we put up one support board and attached the front pallet board, and then we put the second support board up there. You can see I'm screwing it now. I'm using this rough 2x4 as a spacer between the slat boards along the back of the chair, and then I just kept working my way all the way up the back. I guess I got over videoing the rest of it, but we added a piece along the front. We added a piece between the legs at the bottom there as a nice solid brace. And then we also added another support piece at the back there across the back and gave everything a really quick sand. And I left it unfinished, but you could definitely stain it or paint it. And now I've got this beautiful pallet chair. I think it needs a few cushions, but otherwise it's good to go.
This project cost me $0, so it was definitely worth it. Let me know if you give it a try, and for day-to-day DIYs, follow us on Instagram at So Bright Creations.
Or stick around on YouTube, hit subscribe, and check out our other projects.
See you in the next video.